maniacs! What have you done? How dare you create this? If you ever create a fusion like this, I swear to real unreal, I will cage your diet! And by that I mean, I will find you and call the police! I know it sounds harsh, everyone, but you know it's true. A fusion like this shouldn't even exist. This shouldn't even be possible. And it shouldn't be allowed. Since I found it, I'm gonna draw it anyway. Even though they literally crossed the line. Tonight we're gonna draw the fusion of Moro and Broly from Dragon Ball Super. We never really got to see Moro on TV. I think this is just a manga exclusive character. Kind of like the Cerulean known as Granola. And of course, the fallen angel from Universe 13, Murno. Yeah, I'm talking about him. I hope he makes a big comeback. Seriously, I'd rather be drawing Super Saiyan 5 Broly than drawing this. Oh yeah, I already am. Be sure to stay tuned for that. This March, I'm drawing up the newest and latest characters that are appearing on my page. Man, I'm exhausted. After this, I'm taking a shower. We just went to Taco Bell, and it's making me all drowsy. If you think fusing with Broly is bad, you should see the fusion with Jiren. Ugh. I don't know what alien race Jiren is from, but I would highly regret him fusing with Moro. I know Goku says he's like a wizard. I would highly regret that Moro would be in the Tournament of Power. He would probably trick Goku into hating his friends because they were angry at him because of the Tournament of Power thing, and probably won't be his friends anymore. Goku's personality was from a head injury when he suffered when he was a kid, back when he first arrived on Earth. Just imagine what Goku was like if he didn't turn good. And who would be the one to restore Goku back to the way he was before he had that head injury? His granddaughter Pan, of course. If you saw Dragon Ball AF, The Legend of Super Saiyan 5, I didn't like when Pan came back and her seeing Goku as a hero. I've been writing down a concept on what would happen if, well, Pan were to turn evil. Like, her life would be broken. Abducted by the Dark Princess known as Lily. She would be under her control after being thrown into a closet and left for dead. She would eventually give in to her evil thoughts, like no one would even bother that she was around anymore. And, well, she ended up turning evil and not being able to, not wanting to see her family anymore, and even killing her own grandfather. It would be insane if Pan were to have an evil Super Saiyan form. It would be called Super Saiyan Nightmare. And she would use this huge spirit bomb to blow up the entire universe by crushing it. Like there was no compassion for her left. No empathy, no love, no nothing. Until eventually, Goku would have to end it. He would throw a spirit bomb at her, and she would be gone. Literally gone. That'd be the most amazing thing I've ever seen. Glad I finally got that off my chest. Pan is literally the worst character I've ever met. There we are, everyone. That's how you draw a Moro Broly.